Hey everybody, I'm back again with this one. We got a big wreck, it sounds like, on Highway 35. They said it's up by mile marker 68. It sounds like it's a Mazda, and they said it went way off the side of the road. So we're gonna have to get it winched back on the road and towed back to the shop there. I'm taking the big wrecker out just in case, because I don't really know what we're getting ourselves into. And then we have another driver who's gonna follow me up in a flatbed. That way if the wheels are messed up, we can just tow it back easily on the flatbed there. I'll let you guys know when I get up there. See you then. So we got a Mazda up in the wall. Oh, good.
Pull it over, you think?
Yeah, we'll just need 2 lines. This will be a neat, quick one. So, if you want, actually, we'll use the other one. The other one's easier to pull. Get one strap on that, I'll just put it. There you go.
Which way you want to go, Darren?
We'll just put a strap in that front wheel. Here, put this in. There we go.
Pull it right here?
No, because we want it just to pull down. Once it goes down, we can just walk it right.
Okay.
We'll move this to the back and just pull it right out.
Oh, okay.
I'll just have you steer the wheel.
Yeah, that's fine.
It looks like, well, this wheel might be busted off. Yeah, this wheel's busted off, but once we get it down, I'll just get the hook on here. Luckily, this car doesn't weigh anything, so it'll come out pretty easy.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. There we go.
Pull it over and drive it from the ass end.
Yeah, once we get it down, we'll just grab it from the back, and then we might just have you steer the front. It'll come down pretty easy once.
Oh.
There we go.
Okay. We can't put the flatbed back there and kind of pick it up?
Well, I'd move that to the back first, get it over this lump, otherwise you're not gonna be, you're just digging in the ground.
Okay.
But yeah, once we get the back end up, you should be able to just walk it right on the bed.
You fellas doing today?
Good.
Oh, it's stuck in there. There we go.
There we go. And then on these, some of these have the little hook on the back, but I don't know if we can reach that. If not, we can just do that axle arm in the air. We can just loop it.
Just loop it through itself?
Or you just loop it once over and then we can just hook to that. Yeah. There we go.
I don't know.
Oh, you put it through itself?
Yeah.
Okay, that works too.
Not what I had planned on an evening. Not what I expected driving by either.
Yeah. All right. Then let's see if the key's in there, because I don't know, it might not be.
Radio's on.
So keys in there?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
There's some stuff on the side of it too.
Okay.
It's in neutral.
Okay, I'll pull it back. I'll pull it back then. I might just have you watch the steer, see if you can just kind of steer it up. We should just be able to walk it up to here, and then once we get the back end up, we should be able to back the flatbed right up to it.
I was gonna say, I don't know if we can hopefully clear the culvert.
Yeah. Yeah, my plan is when we pull it up,
Just
it's
kind of where it went in.
yeah, once it goes over this dirt, we can
Okay.
back the flatbed right up to it, and that way we'll be away from the drainage and all that. And then yeah, we can throw all that other stuff back in there. Sweet. Okay. There we go. There we go. You think that'll hold it? It's not going to roll anymore? We should be able to just back the flatbed right under the tires and hook up from there. That should make it real easy. You there? I'll throw that on this other side here. There are other recovery straps.
I've been trying to take the truck and make it look better. Yeah, pull in there or back in there.
Well, I'll just back up right by this guy here. I'll just back up right there, and then you can pull in right in there. Cool, cool. Alright everybody, we got that one out of there. That one, it wasn't actually that far off the road like they said. We brought the wrecker thinking that it was going to be much further off the road. When we got there, it was just slightly off the road, but it was in kind of a ditch and up a wall. So it ended up working out pretty good to have the wrecker use that front line of the front wheel just to give it that angle to pull it over so it was on the ground. And then because we still have the key, we just put it in neutral and then put one line on the back of the car. That way we could pull it up over that little berm from the ditch. Because that way, with the flatbed, once it was over that little bit of a hump there, that way the flatbed could just pull it right on the bed of the truck. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. If you're not, subscribe anyway. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.